Welcome to our channel. In this video, you are going to get knowledge about the battle of the best programming language. Java or Python or Kotlin. So, be with us at the end of the video. Let's start with introduction. Here in this video, get knowledge about the detailed comparison of the most utilized programming languages Java, Python, and Kotlin to help you decide and make a decision on which language to select for your next mobile development project. Choosing between various programming languages is quite a difficult task for app developers. Developing an Android app is a great way to bring recognition to your business, but picking up the right language that drives business success is the real dilemma. For building a powerful Android application, Java must be your go-to language. However, new languages can prove to be a big challenge for Java in the Android era. These two languages are Python and Kotlin. Let's first understand these three languages to know their functionality, and then figuring out which one is best for building an Android app. Now start with Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language and the most preferred option of many developers for Java application development. It's been existing for about 2 decades, and specialists believe it to be the most proficient programming language ever developed. Being one of the widely used languages on the internet, Java is designed for a distributed environment and comes with its pros and cons. Next is pros of Java. First is simple to learn and understand. Second is accelerated assembly within Gradle allows assembling larger projects successfully. Third is Android SDK includes multiple standard Java libraries, which means it relies on Java. Fourth is Java is flexible, which implies that you can run it in a virtual machine or a browser window. Fifth one, it is a multi-platform programming language that works for any device, operating system and platform. Sixth one, due to Google's adoption of JVM means Java Virtual Machine for Android, Java has a huge open source ecosystem. Seventh, Java applications are compact and easy to optimize for better performance. They are lighter as compared to Kotlin. Next is cons of Java. First is it is subject to limitations that cause issues with Android API design. Second is Java demands more coding and involves higher risks of bugs and errors. Third is requires a lot of memory and slower than many other programming languages. Next is applications of Java. First is Signal. Second is Spotify. Third is Twitter. Fourth is Cash App. Fifth is Amaze File Manager. Now next understand about Python. Similar to Java, Python is also an object-oriented programming language that allows developers to work efficiently and quickly by using a simple syntax. It comprises prominent development features that makes it one of the ideal languages for large-scale app development. Python development services is extremely easy to learn for newbies and is considered proficient for rapid app development. Next, check pros of Python. First is easy to learn, read, understand, and maintain. Second is offers support for automatic garbage collection. Third is lowest learning curve, great for data visualization. Fourth is Python is versatile, approachable, simple, and complete. Fifth is it offers a simple structure and support for large programs. Sixth is developers can include low-level modules to the interpreter. Seventh is developers can integrate Python with C and C++ languages. Eighth is Python supports an interactive mode of testing and debugging. Ninth is it possesses the ability to run over various hardware platforms. 10th is it offers a simple structure and support for large programs. 11th offers dynamic, high-level data types and dynamic type checking. 12th is unmatched flexibility, powerful programming, and asynchronous code. Next one is cons of Python. First one, not an ideal programming language for mobile app development. Second one, Python's database access layer is quite primitive or underdeveloped. Third one, Python is slower than other programming languages like C and C++. Fourth one, requires extensive testing as major errors and bugs are visible at runtime only. Fifth one, Python's global interpreter lock means GIL doesn't allow executing multiple threads simultaneously. Sixth one, not recommended for memory-intensive tasks as Python's memory consumption is substantially high. Next, check applications of Python. First is enterprise applications, Odoo, Python. Second is scientific and numeric applications, ABAX, FreeCAD, SCIPY, IPython, Pandas. Third is game applications, Battlefield 2, Disney's Toontown Online, World of Tanks, Vegas Strike. Fourth is artificial intelligence machine learning, SCIPY for advanced computing, TensorFlow, Keras. Now next understand about Kotlin. Kotlin is an open source, statically typed language based on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It was designed by JetBrains programmers to add some advanced features to Java app development. It is clean, simple, and includes fewer rules and formalities compared to Java. Next, see pros of Kotlin. First one, Kotlin is faster to compile, lightweight, and prevents application oversizing. Second one, Kotlin is more versatile and expressive than Java, means less probability for errors. Third one, the language provides built-in null safety support, which is considered a lifesaver. Fourth one, it compiles the program code to bytecode for making it executable in Java Virtual Machine. Fifth one, developers can use Kotlin directly in Gradle build scripts due to its scripting capabilities. Sixth one, you can create new modules in Kotlin and let them work alongside the Java code. It is compatible with all Java libraries and frameworks. It can easily integrate with Maven and Gradle build systems. Seventh, developers can take advantage of the collection of open source projects on GitHub, learning resources, online courses, and books. Eighth, you can compile Kotlin to any platform, including JVM, Android, JavaScript, and native, through the Kotlin multi-platform framework. Now next, check cons of Kotlin. First, comparatively smaller developer community than Java. It means difficulty finding solutions to technical concerns and limited learning resources. Second, steep learning curve when developers switch to Kotlin. Its concise syntax can be a blessing and a challenge for developers. Third one, though there are a lot of Kotlin developers available, it's hard to find an experienced and skillful mentor for the team. Fourth is Kotlin is a highly declarative programming language, but it generates high volumes of boilerplate in the corresponding JVM bytecode. Next, check applications of Kotlin. First, Pinterest. Second, Trello. Third is Carlins. At the end, we can say that Kotlin delivers a set of exclusive benefits that Java doesn't. It involves several shortcomings. If you switch to Kotlin from Java, just remember that you need to learn new tools, codes, and strategies, as transitioning to a new language is often challenging. And always keep in mind that Java, being the most dynamic programming language, is not going anywhere and is always around for Android app development. If you are a new developer and don't want to bear the pain of extensive coding, then Python can be an option for you as it is concise and simple, with a minimal learning curve. However, if you find it difficult to build an interactive Android application on your own, mobile app development experts at Aegis Softtech can help. If you have any queries regarding this topic or any other languages, comment below. Our experts will contact you soon. To know more, contact us on our email address info@aegisofttech.com. Our contact number +919824172020. Our location Royal Square, first floor, office number 110, near Shilp Tower, Tagore Road, Rajkot. Thank you for watching. At the end of the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more knowledgeable videos.